All right, I'm going to show you how to use this Google Sheets. This is Excel, but I'll show you how to use the Google Sheets one as well. So currently the gain loss you have to type in manually on the Excel, but it auto updates on the Google Sheets. Looking into why that is, but it works on the Google Sheets. So if you plan on using it on Google Sheets, you're good to go. But put the yard line that you're starting on. You can it'll auto update the down, the distance, all of that stuff as you go. So let's say that we're on the 25-yard line. We're going to end at the 10-yard line. It'd be a 15-yard gain. You got to put that in for now. If we gain more than 10, it gives us a first down automatically, and you can see that it updates the rest of the stuff. I have our formation families in here. You can see that. This is nice because you can all your different adjusters and things you can make a column for anything that you want. All right, type these things in. You can have jersey number. You can do your tacklers live if you're seeing them as they happen, or if you're scouting this later on. You can do all that. Okay, again, on the Google Sheets one, these columns are updating on their own. On the Excel one for right now, they are not. But you can always pop a hotspot and use the Google Sheets one to update it live. All right, so if you're in Excel and you want to change the values of any of these columns down here, so let's say that your formation families are different than mine. You're going to go data validation, click it, and then it's going to link to one of these down here. Okay, so you click source, and you can see that it brought up all my formation families. All right. I could type some more in if I wanted to. Maybe I'm going to call something, oops, I'm going to name something bunch. Actually, I can't do it in there. I would have typed it in prior to. I'm just going to drag down there, and it's going to update all of those. You can see it went down to cell 21. All right. Okay. So you can add things in there. You can add a new column. You can then add whatever data you want in, add it in, or delete the ones you don't want. But if you are tagging it and want to put it in Hudl and have someone live tagging it in a game, you can do that. All right. Let's look at the Google Sheets one now. Google Sheets. Okay. So it's going to auto update. If we ended on the 35-yard line, all right, let's say this next play ends on the 31-yard line. It gives me a 4-yard gain. It was a pass. It was complete. We are in right formation, reduce right. Okay, bunch. Okay, motion T out. Flipped. I gotta fix my motion column. All right, play. It's gonna call their dagger concept. Okay, went to the right. You can tag all your passers. Boom, down to the next one. All right, you can do your hashes. It's going to update your down and distance for you. Let's say that the next play we got to the 26. All right, it's 3rd and 1. Let's see, let's actually say we got down to the 21. Okay. Gave us back to a 1st and 10. Pass. All right, so you can see how you can just tag all this on the way through and how slick it works. All right, so again, now if you want to change where you're getting data from, you would go to drop down. It's going to open up this. You can then click there. You can go into here and you can drag the columns that you're using for those drop down menus. All right, or you can add another column, whatnot. Okay, so now what I'll tell you is always make a copy of this file. Don't actually go on your normal file. Then when you're done, you just download it as a CSV and upload it into Hudl, and you're good to go. All right, so happy tagging. Hopefully it works for you. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.